Hi guys, today I thought I'd show you a bit of a smaller project. I made a little copper overhang, I think you call it, for one of our bedroom windows. With the windows being made of wood, I needed to protect them from snow and rain. I was originally going to make an awning similar to the others on this side of the house, but in the end decided it was just going to be too complicated with the bathroom wall there, and then trying to fit the siding around it would have been difficult again. I decided to make one in the style of the other small copper overhangs originally around the house. Mine didn't turn out as nicely as those, as it was my first time trying something like this, but I was happy with the end result. First I needed a bracket, and the closest I found with a suitable angle were these. I just needed to trim them with the angle grinder. I got this Sugi board from the local home centre. I would like to say it was carefully planned, but coincidentally the holes lined up with the holes in the L angle attaching the window frame to the house. So I could just take the existing screws out and put them back in again with the bracket in between. With a few small adjustments. I used some leftover modified bitumen roofing from the Kura veranda project from last year. And ordered some thin copper sheet online. I had tools for cutting and bending metal I had also bought for the Kura project. some copper nails from the home centre. Folding the copper tabs was a bit tricky and I didn't do the neatest of jobs, especially on the other side. It's not perfect, but it does the job and will eventually patina over to match the copper on the awnings, and it's a pretty affordable solution as well. Most of the ugly bits are covered by the siding anyway. We've got our first typhoon of the season today, so let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.